It was around 2008 to 2010. I was in elementary pa, and my ate was a fresh Tomasya na. Kumalat daw sa student body na there's a black lady at the UST hospital. Hindi kami naniwala until one day PM class yung ate ko. After her class, nagpa-check up yung ate ko because of UTI sa UST hospital din. She needed to pee kaya pumunta siya sa pinakamalapit na restroom. After niya mag-CR, she heard a lady crying. Mag-isa lang naman siya kanina. She checked the doors sa ilalim to see if may tao. Nagulat siya nang may nakita siyang paa na madumi at puno ng dugo. Tumakbo na siya agad. She did tell me what happened. I did not believe it until may pinakita siya na video sa YouTube. A video sa isang room sa UST hospital. A guy was wandering around with his camera on. Then, suddenly, may nagpakita sa video. Unfortunately, hindi clear yung mukha. But you'll know it's a black lady. After that, natakot na ako. Next year pa naman, gagraduate na ako sa high school. I want to study at UST. But, lahat na ata ng lugar doon madaming mumu. Lalo na sa St. Raymond's, Faculty of Arts, and letters pa naman yung course na gusto ko.